Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of tech, science, history, economics, and much more. We make the topic interesting and easy to understand. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our family. Ever wondered why a country can't just print unlimited money and become super rich? Let's dive into this mystery. Imagine you have a magic printer at home, printing money. Sounds cool, right? So why don't countries do the same? To understand, we first need to know what money is. Money is just a piece of paper. Its value comes from our belief in what it represents. Meet inflation. When there's too much money chasing too few goods, prices rise. This is inflation. And printing more money? It feeds this monster. Let's take a trip to Zimbabwe. In the late 2000s, they printed money to tackle their debts. Result? At one point, a loaf of bread cost 100 billion Zimbabwean dollars. The real strength of money? Trust. If people lose faith in a currency, its value crashes. Zimbabweans started using foreign currencies because they trusted them more. Imagine saving for years, only to find out your savings can't even buy you a candy bar. Inflation eats up the value of savings. Other countries might stop trading with you if your money loses value. Why? Because they don't want to get paid in worthless currency. Who'd lend you money if they suspect you'll pay back with devalued currency? Borrowing becomes hard. As prices rise, life becomes tough for ordinary people. Essentials like food and medicine can become unaffordable. It's all about balance. A country needs just enough money in circulation, not too much, not too little. That's why we have central banks and policymakers. Their job? To ensure our money keeps its promise of value. So, while printing unlimited money sounds tempting, it's not the path to wealth. Real wealth comes from a strong economy, hard work, and, most importantly, trust. Special thanks to economists and historians. Remember, a strong nation isn't about how much money you print, but how much value you create. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more awesome content. See you in the next one.